Question 23, KCSE 2018, Paper 2. We are told that we have a table for taxable income in a certain year. The monthly relief, remember relief is the amount that is returned to you by the government after paying the tax. In a certain month, Silas earns a monthly basic salary of this and also allowances of those two. So we are told to calculate taxable income. You know that taxable income is equals to basic salary plus allowances. So we are going to take the basic salary, which is 52,000. We add 7,800 plus 5,800. So therefore we have a total of Kenyan shillings 64,800. The net tax paid by Sila in this month. So where does this range goes to? If I look at my table, I realize that it is above. So it is on the last cohort, which is 60. I can write it, always write it there. So we are going to do the cohort for each. So we're going to take 18 times 10 of 100. Then the next one, you're going to subtract these two. Then we multiply by 15. So if you subtract, you get 10,532 times 15 of 100. Then the same to that, 10,532 times 20 of 100. Then the second last, 10,532 times 25 of 100. And the last one, you take the original amount, you subtract, which we are going to get. Then the last one, if we subtract the original value, this one minus the one on top, we are going to have 22,018 times 30. So to get the answers of that, we have 11, 8, a quick one. Because of decimal places, you just use one decimal place. No penalty for using more decimal places. And here we have 6605.4. So if I add this to get the tax that this person pays, it is 14,043.8. That's the total tax. Therefore, the net tax, remember we have said that we have a relief. The relief that this person is given, it means after paying this tax, the government still compensates. So we are going to remove that amount so that we have the net tax to be 1,2763.8. That is what the person is supposed to pay. The next part you are asked to do. In July, his basic salary was raised by 4%. So let us see the new salary. But the basic salary was 52,500. Therefore, we are going to have 104 over 100 times 52. Now this person earns a new salary of 54,080 because they are only asked about the basic salary. Determines his net salary because this amount is still above our range. So this is still the tax that he is going to pay. So the net salary that he is going to pay to get, it is the basic salary. Then we subtract basic salary is that one. Remember, we have not added the allowances, which is 7,800 plus 5,000. After that, we are going now to remove the tax that is going to pay. Therefore, by working out that, we are going to have the answer as 53,492.20. So that is what we expect him to be having in the bank. Thank you very much. If you have any question, write it down in the comment sections.